lovies, welcome back to another recipe. And on today's recipe I'm going to be showing you guys the method I use in roasting my peanuts, which is also known as groundnuts. So guys, for this recipe I have my peanuts, I have my semolina flakes, and I also have some salt. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. I will go ahead and add some water into the salt, and I will drizzle in 2 tablespoons of the salted water into my peanut, and I will mix it up together. Right now I will get a pan and I will put it in my fire and allow the pan to hot for about a minute or 2. Guys, at this moment I'm going to transfer the semolina flakes into the hot pot. And I'm going to allow the semolina flakes to heat for about a minute. And at this moment, I will transfer in the peanuts into the semolina flakes and I will give it a nice stir. So guys, while your peanut is on the fire cooking, you don't have to leave it. You have to make sure you pay attention to it so it doesn't get burnt. So I will make sure I stir the peanut every 30 seconds so it doesn't get burnt. So after stirring the peanut for some minutes, you will notice that the peel of the peanut will start peeling off, and you will notice the peanut is getting well cooked. So at this moment the peanut is well cooked. I will just go ahead and switch off the fire, and I will allow the peanut to be in the hot semolina flakes for about 5 minutes so the heat will keep on cooking it more. And after 5 minutes I will get my sieve and I will sieve the peanuts and transfer it into a tray and allow it to cool down properly. Yeah, so guys, I hope you find this recipe helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, click the notification bell so you will never miss any of my uploads, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, so guys, I'm just going to show you how this peanut peels so easily. Reason is that it's well cooled, it's dry off, and it's well roasted. Yeah, so I hope you find this roasted peanut recipe helpful, and don't forget to watch out for my next upload because you are going to be seeing what I'm going to make do of this delicious roasted peanuts. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next recipe. Till I see you again, have a beautiful day, have a lovely day. Bye bye.